0, 1, and negative 3. Can you see that? You know that at x-axis, what is 0? Y is 0. So there's a x minus 1, x plus 3 here. If you let it be 0, your x values are 0, 1, minus 3. 0, 1, minus 3. And you're supposed to find area bounded by the curve x-axis line x equals to negative 2. X equals negative 2 should be somewhere here. So finding this area and this area. Now notice that if part of the graph is below, part of the graph is above, you cannot integrate one shot. You will get a wrong answer. You need to integrate part by part. Part by part as in the first 2 to 0. Okay, but at the same time you need to expand this. Maybe I expand this first. Yeah. You cannot integrate this directly and plus 2x minus 3. As you expand, it's x power 3 to x squared minus 3x. So this is x power 3 plus 2x squared 3x dx. And then 0 to 1, x power 3 plus 2x squared minus 3x dx. So this one you integrate is x4 over 4, right? This will x cubed over 3, 3x squared over 2, minus 2 to 0. Copy the same thing. Very long. Okay, but you can use calculator to help you. If you put 0 inside, everything else 0. You put negative 2, this should be 16 over 4. This would be negative 16 over, this is positive 3 times 4, right? Over 2. You can count manually, 1 by 1. This is 1 over 4 over 3, 3 over 2. And another thing is you can use your calculator to validate the answer. For example, I'm going to use this calculator here, but your calculator must be in computation mode, COMP. The normal mode. Integrate original function alpha x cubed plus 2 shift close bracket minus 3 alpha x comma upper limit 0. So my first answer is going to be 7.333 is 713. Okay, it's going to be positive. And the second part, you're going to get a negative answer. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put a negative in front. How come I know I'm going to get a negative answer? Yeah, the area is under. So you please put a negative here, or if not, you can put a modulus. Up to you. I'll put a negative. So let's just change the limit. Now my limit is 0 to 1. Okay, answer 1 over 3. 7 over 12. Sorry. So just take this 7 1 over 3 minus answer. There you go. 7 11 over 12. Okay, can you do your self-test? A self-test. Question 30.